Sir, I'm sorry. You don't make the rules in this courtroom.
No, I make decisions.
The law
I
does.
make decisions.
The law does. The law says you have a right to a trial and we will accommodate that. We'll set it for trial. Thank you.
Court Uncut, what the people want.
23 CR 1254 is now called the State of Texas versus Christopher Caleb Watson, who is here with Mr. Adams, his attorney, and the state's attorney is here. Does the defendant waive formal reading of the indictment and the arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, sir.
In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about April 25th, 2023 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the state jail felony of burglary of a building. Do you understand what your charges are?
Yes, sir.
If convicted of a state jail felony like this, you face confinement in the state jail for any term of not less than 180 days or more than 2 years. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
An agreement's been reached where you would be pleading guilty and sentenced to 18 months in the state jail. Restitution is ordered in the amount of $600. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How are you going to pay the restitution?
I don't know.
How are you going to pay the restitution? They need to get, well, that their plan needs to be in place before I accept the deal. I mean, I don't have to take this deal. The victims want their money back for the loss.
I didn't pitch restitution.
Hey, sir?
I didn't pitch restitution, so this came from you, restitution.
Yeah. Well, I'm not going to take a deal if you don't have the money to pay it. You can just sit it out for 2 years.
Judge,
No, that's what the people want. The people
no,
want
Judge,
to pay.
hang on.
You're going to get them.
What is the restitution for?
It's
What's it for?
You broke the front door glass.
Yeah.
I guess it's probably for that. That looks like what the damage is. And it could be that much, you know, if it's a big door. That's all, right? But it's not a debate. It's, they put me at it for they said they're owed $600. And I deal with the people. They're just not defendants in the trial. You got victims. And victims have a say. There's a loss. And we're going to try to accommodate them when they are lost, on a loss. People will say, why are they making a deal? And I'm out the money. What did they do to get a deal? And I have to deal with those directly, sir.
For you.
Sir.
For you.
Sir,
Oh, what's your judgment on the case?
it's 600. You're going to have to pay $600. I'm not going to take the deal, sir.
600 is not days.
Sir, I'm sorry. What'd you say?
600 is not days, it's money.
600. Okay, fine. That I understand that. I don't have to take a deal.
So I
So we'll just put it on the trial docket, and when it gets around to getting ready for trial, we'll try. That's what we'll do.
I don't know what restitution is.
Restitution is payment for loss,
Oh,
and the people say they lost $600 worth of something, and it's apparently the glass that was broken when you burglarized the building. I don't see another loss. But that has to get paid.
but it was lost.
$600 lost. And they're going to say, why did he get a deal? If we're
He
out the
didn't get a
money,
deal. He didn't get one.
sir,
He didn't get a deal. He
sir.
got a deal canceled. His deal got canceled.
Yeah,
All
you
right.
can serve 2 years is what the law says. You can serve up to 2 years. And that's, and a deal, and a plea agreement, look it up. There's no right under law for that. There is no one right under law. And you're looking at up to 2 years. That's what the law states. And I don't have to accept it. It's a privilege that's trying to move cases. But if the people say we need our restitution back, they're going to get accommodated. It's not right. If I was injured and they got a deal, well, that's nice. Where's my $600? There's no way you can find that money. There's no way somebody can help you with that?
No, you don't give that chance. You don't give that kind of chance. You're gonna let me out of jail. I was gonna get the restitution money, and then we just weren't gonna do that because there was
No, this
restitution
wasn't a
money,
probation.
and now I'm not gonna do
This
it.
wasn't a probation.
So 6 more months then, 6 more months.
This wasn't a probation.
Over 600.
Okay. No, we just said for trial. That's all. Thank you.
You
That's
gotta know how to
that's-
decide something, Judge. You gotta decide something. You can't. just
Sir, sir,
flip-flop
I'm
with the
sorry.
decision making.
I'm sorry. You don't make the rules in this courtroom.
No, I make decisions.
The law
I
does.
make decisions.
The law does. The law says you have a right to a trial and we will accommodate that. We'll set it for trial. Thank you.
200 days.
200 more days?
And that's what we've got to deal with, I guess. Just under 2 years.
Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss crazy courtroom moments like this one.